ఫుట్బాల్ దిగ్గజం లియోనెల్ మెస్సీ కోల్కతా పర్యటన వేళ తీవ్ర గందరగోళం తలెత్తింది. సాల్ట్ లేక్ స్టేడియానికి వచ్చిన మెస్సీ కొద్దిసేపే అక్కడ ఉండి వెళ్లిపోగా అభిమానులు తీవ్ర ఆగ్రహం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. మైదానంలోకి కుర్చీలు, వాటర్ బాటిళ్లు విసిరేశారు. స్టేడియంలో టెంట్లను తొలగించారు. భారీగా తరలివచ్చిన అభిమానులను అదుపు చేసేందుకు పోలీసులు తీవ్రంగా శ్రమించారు. కోల్కతా పర్యటనకు వచ్చిన ఫుట్బాల్ దిగ్గజం మెస్సీని చూసేందుకు అభిమానులు పోటెత్తారు. నగరంలోని సాల్ట్ లేక్ మైదానానికి ఉదయమే వేలాదిగా తరలివచ్చిన అభిమానులు మెస్సీని చూసేందుకు ఆతృతగా ఎదురుచూశారు. అయితే ఆయన మైదానంలోకి వచ్చి కొద్దిసేపే అక్కడ ఉండి వెళ్లిపోయారు. ఈ ఘటనతో తీవ్ర ఆగ్రహానికి లోనైన అభిమానులు ఒక్కసారిగా రెచ్చిపోయారు. మెస్సీ పర్యటనకు ఏర్పాట్లు సరిగ్గా లేవని అభిమానుల ఆగ్రహం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. మైదానంలో విధ్వంసానికి దిగారు. అక్కడున్న కుర్చీలను విరగ్గొట్టారు. నీళ్ల బాటిళ్లు, కుర్చీలను మైదానంలోకి విసిరేశారు. అక్కడున్న టెంట్లను ధ్వంసం చేశారు. తమ అభిమాన క్రీడాకారుడిని కొద్దిసేపు కూడా చూడలేకపోయామని అభిమానులు తీవ్ర ఆగ్రహం వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
Yeah, that was really disappointing. We came all the way from Darjeeling just for this. We paid like 12,000 and the people around them, like Messi, we couldn't even see him properly. That was like the most disappointing thing I have ever witnessed. India will remain the same. It's like this tour and all. I'm Sasha from Darjeeling. All good.
So you're disappointing paying that hefty amount of money. It's just that they had 50 people around him who were going around him, and we couldn't even get a glimpse of him for once. It was just those ministers, whoever were there, and he just waved a couple of times and that's it. Sir, your name? Rohan.
Because the minimum ticket was 5K, and why were the VVIPs around Messi? We couldn't even see him. We couldn't even get a glimpse of him. So why was this scripted? I don't know. Why weren't the police taking action? I don't know anything. Everyone was furious. Everyone was very furious. I have nothing to say. I need Shatadru to give us the answer. We want the refund. We want the refund. My name is Ratul.
And we speak so much about him being.
For 10 minutes, we hardly, like, the publics, even we had we paid some 10,000, 12,000, but we couldn't have a glance at him. So all the members, the managements, they were like, stick to him. All together, he was just for 10 minutes. We couldn't see him for a bit. So it was a disaster, I can say. No one, the public was booing him. Like, we were all waited 2 hours for there. Okay, we were there for 2 hours from morning. Okay, people were like very enthusiastic. They were shouting at all, but Messi came. The people, they were playing. I don't know why they were playing, how they were playing. Messi was there, and they were just eager to sign their own jerseys. The political leaders somewhere there, they were eager to click pictures with them. Okay, so yes, that's he said that's just a scam, a business. They have made a profit out of the people's money. So it's just a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Yeah.
Total scam.
And one more. Mumbai and Delhi, I don't know it will happen in there as well, but in Kolkata, the people, the love for football is too much. We love the football, the love for Messi is too much, but the whatever we experience here is not at all we experienced.
एकदम घटिया इवेंट 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया, ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया। शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया, पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया। इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए।
नहीं किया जा रहा है मेसी को, क्योंकि इतना भीड़ है उसके आसपास में। हम लोग सोचे थे कि एक बार बॉल टच करेगा या फिर कुछ फ्री किक भी होगा या फिर पेनल्टी भी शूट आउट होगा दोनों तरफ, कुछ नहीं, बस आया, देखा और चला गया। हम लोग स्पॉट ही नहीं कर पाए सही से, 10 मिनट भी नहीं था सही से। बाहर सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब हम अंदर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे। ये एक फ्रॉड के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह सकते हम लोग। शौनक मित्रा,
शोभिक चक्रवर्ती।
क्या नाम है आपका?
रियान।
क्या कहोगे?
बहुत घटिया था वो बॉल दिखाया था बुके में, पहले से शूट आउट होगा, कुछ भी नहीं था, पूरा शिट था, बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब, बहुत कुछ भी नहीं देख पाया, पूरा स्कैम था, पूरा स्कैम, पूरा वेस्ट टाइम का वेस्ट था, पूरा मनी भी वेस्ट था, पूरा सब कुछ वेस्ट।
Very disappointed. Yeah. We are very disappointed because हम अपने it's a weekend right for the children and we came that my child was so excited कि हम मेसी को देखेंगे, पर हम मेसी को नहीं देखे. It was full disappointment, and it's a scam I think for people around. Shouldn't be doing. And Messi जब वो ground में आए तो everybody surrounded him, so there was no space that we could हम देखे मेसी को, right? अंकिता.
नाम संहिता, सनिता। मैनेजमेंट बहुत बुरा था, बहुत बुरा था। मैनेजमेंट एकदम बकवास था। इतना पैसा खर्च करके लोग दूर दूर से आए हैं और ये हम लोगों को देखने को मिला। हम लोग एग्जिट गेट पे थे, उसीलिए थोड़ा झलक मिला, और इतना मॉब था मीडिया और वीआईपी के साथ, बहुत बुरा। बाय।
Actually, we have given so much money for this event, and the most important thing is that Messi has come for this event. And what message we have given to the Messi, this government, this like sports minister? I am seeing the sports minister is clicking selfie with Messi, and everyone is trying to manage the people. But for these people, the engagement is happening into the ground. And what message you have given to the Messi? What message he has been taken to from the India? This is the main thing from the Calcutta. Nothing has been happened. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't came. I don't know about Shah Rukh Khan as the chief minister. These are all dignitaries, but it's very shameful for the absolute event management, and I would say the government as well. My name is Shorin Bhattacharya.
అభిమానులను చెదరగొట్టేందుకు పోలీసులు లాఠీచార్జ్ చేశారు.
আমি যা পাঠানোর মোবাইলে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি টুইট হয়ে গেছে